First of all, I must say that people that come to study Yiddish, first of all, in the class that I was a student in, and then in the classes that I was teaching in, are very, very charming and unique people. You know, it was a very big zchut for me to share, you know, to be in the same class with them and to teach them. They are very curious. They want to know, you know, where this, you know, if it came from Deutsch or from Slavische Sprachen, or they want so much to understand the roots of everything. And they are also very emotional about it. Many of them are very young. I had a student in the first class that I was teaching who was, I think he was 10 years old by then, and he came with his mom. You know, so they were sitting, the mom and and the single, and they were studying very seriously, and he was wonderful. He was so amazing. Yeah, his memory was the best memory in the class, of course, and he asked a lot of tough questions, which I liked. Many of the people are, you know, from different professions. One, you know, I recently taught one mathematician who is a biologist mathematician, an epidemiologist, a young girl from the University of Boston, a psychologist. Before that, I was teaching teachers and lawyers and students and so on and so on.